Next instrument for our discussion is tuning fork. Okay, this is a tuning fork set. Okay, so inside this box we have three distinct metallic prong instruments. Okay, so this instrument is named as the tuning fork. Okay, you can see there's this overall morphology of the instrument. It looks the same only. Okay, the three instruments look the same only. Okay, the distance, feature that is differentiating between the three instruments is the length of this particular part. Okay, let's learn about the parts of this instrument. This is called as the tuning fork or metallic tuning fork. Okay, so the part which has kind of a fork kind of a feature is called as a prong. So from this to this is a U-shaped prong, okay, or a prong of an instrument. Okay, so this prong is connected to another part which is called as the stem of the tuning fork. Okay, this is called as the stem of the tuning fork. Interesting point to note down over here: in some manufacturers, like to denote the nomenclature of the frequency of tuning fork that is available, so they denote it in the stem. So this is called as the finger holding part of the tuning fork. Okay, we do the examination by holding this part of the tuning fork, and this flattened area is called as the base or foot plate of the tuning fork. Okay, so you can see these are the three different tuning forks. Now this is written over here as 128. This is written as 256, and this is written as 512. Okay, in certain books it is certainly manufacturer release this is 514, doesn't matter, around 500. So as you see, so these are denoting the frequency of the tuning forks. Now why the frequency? Because this tuning fork is used by vibrating these prongs. Okay, whenever you are striking this tuning fork on the hypothenar area or the elbow part of your body or any hard surface, what happens? It vibrates. Okay, so the vibration is happening at certain frequency. Okay, so this vibrates at 128 frequency, this vibrates at 256 frequency, and this vibrates at 512 hertz. Okay, now this is the variation. Now in clinical examination, these two tuning forks, that is 256 and 512, reserved for cranial of ear examination, and 128 is reserved for sensory vibration sensory examinations. Okay, in the sensory system we test the vibration sense. Okay, so this instrument is called as a tuning fork, and these are the ways how you should know the instrument is what frequency or not. Okay,